What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about HTML markup. Now, the ML in HTML stands for markup language. Markup refers to a way of annotating text that is distinguishable from the text itself, the same way that a teacher might mark up a student essay by underlining topic sentences, circling spelling errors. HTML annotates the contents within a web page the same way. A teacher might use a red pen to make sure that their comments are easy to distinguish from the student's own work. HTML separates content and annotation by using HTML tags, which are denoted by angle brackets, also known as less than and greater than signs. So this is an HTML tag right there. HTML tag. So compare the markup for the essay to the markup in the HTML diagram. How do they compare? Open the following dropdowns to see some sample comparisons. So for example, this looks like a title right here. Hook, I'm guessing this is the hook. Or the title is probably like right here, sorry. Yeah. So that's the title right here. The head, probably the hook. The body is like these. Makes sense. Both the HTML markup and the essay have sections of text. The HTML markup is separated by new lines and tags with the brackets. The essay has the text separated by new lines. Both documents include a title near the top. The HTML markup is titled HTML tutorial, marked with the title tags. The essay has my autobiography as the title, which is annotated as title with an arrow. Similar to the essay's body text, the HTML has the tag body for body text. In the essay, portions of the body text are annotated to indicate what purpose they serve in a text, such as hook, thesis statement, and conclusion. Now, in the body of the HTML, individual portions are annotated with HTML tags like P and H1 to indicate the function that the text will serve on the web page. We will learn more about these tags in the subsequent exercises. Cool. Oh, this is an interesting question, by the way. Is HTML considered a programming language? What do you guys think? Is it really? Let's go ahead and see. Some people might argue that HTML is a programming language, but the majority of programmers will say no. This is because by definition, a programming language provides functionality. It does so with a set of syntax and grammatical rules, which give instruction to the computer to perform tasks like logical tasks, algorithms, loops, and so on. HTML does not provide these things, which means it's not a programming language. Instead, HTML is a markup language, which does not deal with logic but with presentation. So it's not. That's crazy. There you have it. It's not a language.